Imagine bringing history back to life, giving color to moments our grandparents only saw in black and white. That's exactly what Google's brand new AI model, Nano Banana, also known as Gemini 2.5 Flash Image, is doing. And the results? They're nothing short of breathtaking. Today we're diving into how Nano Banana works, the viral photos it transformed, and why this could be one of the most powerful tools for photographers, historians, and even everyday families. Google unveiled Gemini 2.5 Flash Image just last week, and if the name Nano Banana sounds familiar, that's because it quietly went viral before launch on forums like El Marina. Users discovered an experimental AI that could not only generate lifelike images but edit existing ones with uncanny realism. Now it's officially part of Gemini, giving anyone the power to swap clothes in photos, add furniture to rooms, blend pets with their owners, and yes, even restore century-old photos with true-to-life colors. One of the most jaw-dropping tests came from ex-user Rodrigo Bressan. He uploaded some of history's most iconic black and white photos, and simply told the AI, "Restore and colorize without altering any details." The results? Dorothea Lange's migrant mother from 1936, alive in vivid detail. The famous Victory Day in Times Square kiss from 1945, bursting with color. Even lunch atop a skyscraper from 1932. Those steelworkers suddenly feel like men you could meet today. It's like time travel, bridging the past with the present. So what makes Nano Banana special? The key is character permanence. Upload your photo once and the AI keeps your identity intact across edits. That means you can generate an avatar that actually looks like you, or place yourself in different scenarios without losing your face. When it comes to restoration, that permanence means details like wrinkles, shadows, and fabric textures are preserved. No cartoonish filters. Just realistic, respectful color. Of course, no AI is perfect. In one case, Nano Banana altered the US flag in the Iwo Jima photo. While some saw it as an error, others pointed out it demonstrated the model's ability to understand physics like fabric waving in the wind. With more precise prompts, you can avoid unwanted changes, showing just how flexible this tool is. So how can you use Nano Banana? Restore and colorize family albums. Revive historical archives for education. Create lifelike concept art without starting from scratch. And it's easy. Just upload your photo into Gemini or supported apps like FreePic, type a simple prompt like colorize without altering details, and you'll instantly get multiple samples to choose from. This breakthrough isn't just about nostalgia, it raises questions about authenticity, memory, and trust in images. When AI can convincingly reimagine history, we have to balance the magic with responsibility, knowing the difference between restoration and rewriting. From museums to living rooms, Nano Banana is giving us a chance to see the past like never before. So, what do you think? Is AI colorization a gift to history, or does it risk changing it? Drop your thoughts in the comments. Hit like if you were blown away by these transformations, and don't forget to subscribe for more deep dives into the future of tech.